number 2. Go.
I can't do it if you guys keep staring at me.
We're not. Come on, just do it.
Oh,
Just put it in your mouth while you smile.
No.
Come on, Lisa, you can do it. If you're, oh God, it's gonna be all over the grout and the tiled walls. Oh, oh, oh. Is that a psychological thing, Lisa? How's it doing? How's it feeling? Is it burning a little?
Not doing anything.
Oh, it's getting a little red. She's getting a little red. You see it? It's coming out. It's not going to stay in. Oh, I don't think this is a wise decision at all. It's not done yet. Uh-oh. You need a drink?
Are you gonna cry? Don't feel bad.
Here we go. Let's see. How you doing?
I can use the bathroom, Lisa.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, now it's gonna come out.
What?
Lisa,
It can't come out of your nose.
wait till you come below your nose. It'll be coming out your nose too.
Your nose is running.
Here, let me get your one.
Her eyes are watering.
I don't think that comes out your eye.
So Lisa, do you like cinnamon?
It actually wasn't that bad. I don't know what you guys
Your eyes are watering.
It was just the fact that I couldn't get it down my throat.
Can we put this on YouTube?
Sure, whatever.
Maddie wants to do it.
Do it. It wasn't that bad.
How come you can't really talk?
You got tears in your eyes.
Well, it's powder, and I couldn't swallow it.
It's because it doesn't
But it wasn't-
dissolve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Other than that, it wasn't actually that bad.
Lisa, blow